Why people choose WFG? There are 4 simple letters: S, T, E, P. S stands for system, T stands for trustworthy, E stands for enchantment, P stands for profitable.
You are the reason I smile, the one who makes it all worthwhile.
3 months, but right now we have
Under 55 years old. There's really
you know exactly what you can duplicate.
right now.
With 4,523,453 points, Brian Loiso. And at number 1, with 4,443,874 points.
The system is proven to be successful. The strength is you not only earn by yourself, but you earn with your team. WFG was founded 2001, and its backbone, Transamerica, was established 1904 and has assets over $444 billion. Do you think it is trustworthy enough? I can honestly share with you, I am totally enchanted by many people here. To run a McDonald's restaurant, we need to prepare about $2 million. To run a business at WFG, what we need is only $125 for background check and registration. But we need a lot of hard work.